Hello everyone and welcome back to another Bimmer Fixer video, and in this video I'm going to be doing some investigation work on the L405 as it's developed a rattle. So it's quite an interesting one in terms of I didn't expect it to be what it was. So I'm going to talk you through what the rattle is, how I'm going to go about investigating it, and see if there's something I can do about solving it. Okay, so you draw me underneath the L405. So this rattle I get at about 1100 RPM. What I'm going to do is with my arm inside the cab, I'm going to try and reach the accelerator. I'm going to try and bring it up to about 1000 RPM or 1100. I don't know if you've just got, there it is. That rattle there. Now, I initially thought it was going to be a heat shield, which is just here. This kind of waffly texture shield, but it wasn't. And then I thought it was the catalytic converter or somewhere along the exhaust system, which really did worry me because I thought I'm in trouble because it is very expensive and a bit of a pain to do. So I was almost ready to throw in the towel, but just to show how important it is to have a good investigation, I found it was that shield there. I don't know if you can hear that. What I'll do, I'll shut it off and I'll give you a better demonstration of that sound. Okay, so that's a bit more peaceful. Now it's shut off. So yeah, so the reason why I thought it was the cat was if I give it a quick knock, there's a slight kind of rattle. And I thought it was, like I say, I thought it was the cat or somewhere along the exhaust. So it just goes to show how important it is to have a good look before you commit to a garage or something, because if you go to a garage that's not so reputable, they may just say, yeah, the cat, especially if you've gone in and go, I think it's the cat, but actually it's that shield. So if I give that shield another, give my hand in there. Oh God. Where are you? There you are. So it's there. So it sounds like, I don't know if there's stones going there. I don't know, but it looks like it's held on with four bolts. They look about 10 mil. So there's one there, one just there, and one there. So I'm assuming there's another one in the other corner as well. Something else as well I noticed was, I don't know if you can see through the gap. Where is it? It's that blurry bit in the middle. That blurry bit in the middle is a little clip that holds the wire for the CO2 sensor onto that. That looks like a prime suspect to come loose. Also, if I can get a better angle there, I'll put a torch on it maybe, so I can show you. There it is. So it's potentially that, I'll get it to focus a bit better, that clip there. But what I'll do, I'll go get some sockets and we'll knock some of these, I'll take some of these bolts out and see if we can lower that shield a bit and see if we've got a screw in there, or it could even be that little split there maybe. In fact, is it that? Bear with. No, so it's definitely not that split there. So you can hear that over that rattle. Oh God, that's so annoying. So yeah, let me go get the sockets and then we'll take a closer look. Okay, sit rep. So I started removing the bolts for that shield. As I was doing it, I was obviously making sure they weren't loose, and that was the cause of it. But as I was having another look from the back and remembered mentioning that clip, I managed to, I'm laughing, this is because it's so stupid, but if I can get you there, I can get my hand on the back. There we go. That is it. That's the reason. So it was obviously just sitting on there and rattling. I don't know if I rattle with it on there still, but you can. I bet if I take that off, at least move it. Oh, don't lose it. If I doing any good anyway. That was what it was. So obviously it's just made a bit of a twang then because I've not got no bolts in it. So maybe to be sure, I'll put the bolts back in and then we'll give it a final test. And I reckon what could have been, I thought, a £2,500 cat and exhaust and all that jazz was a 2p clip. Okay, right, let me put those bolts back in. Okay, so yeah, as we expected, it was that clip. FYI, if you do want to fully remove that heat shield, or that shield or tray, you have to remove this cover here as well. It wouldn't have been too much trouble, but I thought I'd just have another look at that clip before I went for the hassle of removing that. And that's, yeah, as we found in that top corner, you can just see on the corner there where it's been moving up and down and rattling away. So I will start it up just to give it a rev, just to make sure that was it. But if we, that sounds solid with a nice tone there. So right, let me fire it back up and we'll have one final listen and that should be it. Okay, so you can see where the clip was. I'll just bring the wheels up a bit. There we go. Oh, no more rattle. So yeah, so just because you have a rattle, don't just assume it's the cat or the heat shield. It could be a clip. Okay, there we go. Simple as that. A little clip, probably 50p, if that. But it just goes to show something that's annoying as that rattle. It could be as simple as that clip. You wouldn't be. You could be forgiven for thinking it's something more major, like I did initially. At one point, I thought it could have been the cat, which is a very costly thing to do and can be really difficult. It just goes to show if you're happy to do it and it's safe to do it, just have a little look. That's what these videos are about. It's just giving you the confidence to go and have a look yourself. And chance of saving yourself a fortune. So yeah, there we go. It's just that little clip. I thought it was the initially I thought it was the heat shield and it wasn't. I thought it was the cat, then that tray, and I was still wrong. It was that little clip on that tray. So it's always there, like I say, always worth having a look. Thank you very much for watching. I hope it helps you out if you've got that rattle. It could be on any car, but especially L405. Have a look at that clip before you panic and take it to a garage. Could be that. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you've got any questions at all, as always, ask in the comments or even send me an email and I'll get back to you as quick as I can. And thanks again for watching and supporting the channel. I know it's been a bit of a while since the last video, but moved house, renovated house, new job, lots going on, but all settled now and all back to normal. So hopefully you can get some more frequent content out to you. So thank you very much again. I really do appreciate your support. I'm now going to have a beer in the garden in the sun. Take care, guys. Bye bye.